Welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Aviva pension account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in Aviva pension login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then it will take you to this login page. On this page, you will have to provide your username and your password. So go ahead and enter your username. And if you want the website to remember your username, you can click on this checkbox and it will save your login info for next time. After that, enter your password. And if you have forgotten your login details, you can click on this link to recover it. And if you are new to Aviva, you can click on this register button to register for your new account. Once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials and then click on the login button. And once you click on it, you'll be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.